This is going to blow your mind. Ever wondered how ChatGPT can revolutionize your conversations? Let's break it down. ChatGPT is your go-to AI buddy, designed to help with writing, brainstorming, learning, and more. First up, its conversational abilities. ChatGPT can hold a chat just like your best friend. Need help with homework or work projects? No problem. Just type your questions, and ChatGPT gives you instant, human-like responses. Next, let's talk creativity. Whether you're writing stories, composing emails, or creating content, ChatGPT is there to inspire you. Stuck on a plot twist? Ask ChatGPT for ideas and watch the magic happen. But that's not all. ChatGPT can also help you learn new languages, solve math problems, and even code. Simply enter your query, and ChatGPT provides step-by-step explanations. Concerned about safety? ChatGPT is designed with user protection in mind, ensuring a safe and respectful interaction. Plus, it's always learning and improving thanks to regular updates. To get started, just hop onto the ChatGPT website, sign in, and start chatting away. It's that easy. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the amazing world of ChatGPT and unlock endless possibilities today. Happy chatting!